It is likely that when you think of watermelon, you see a red, squashy, juicy fruit, but you don't think of the seeds. It is common for people to remove these black seeds from the fruit and eat them. Do you know that these black seeds have some magical properties when it comes to nutrition? There are a lot of nutrients and health benefits in these tiny seeds. In this video, we'll dive into the 12 incredible benefits of watermelon seeds that you won't want to miss. Number 1. Nutrient-packed. Watermelon seeds are rich in essential vitamins and minerals, including magnesium, zinc, potassium, and iron. Magnesium is necessary for nerve function, blood sugar regulation, and blood pressure control, while zinc is essential for immune function and wound healing. The body uses potassium to regulate fluid balance and iron to transport oxygen. Number 2. Improves skin health. As sprouted watermelon seeds contain vitamin C and antioxidants, they help cleanse your skin. Beauty products containing its oil are widely used to treat acne and early signs of aging. Your skin looks better when you eat watermelon seeds because they contain magnesium. You can use it if your skin is dry and itchy due to skin conditions like eczema. You can use watermelon seeds to moisturize a dry, dull skin. Zinc found in the seeds can slow the aging process because of its protein synthesis, cell division, and repairability. Number 3. Boosts heart health. There are many ways in which watermelon seeds can promote your heart health due to their high content of monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats. According to studies, this good fat may help prevent heart attacks and strokes. Magnesium in this seed keeps your heart healthy and regulates your blood pressure. A healthy heart may benefit from watermelon seeds due to their anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and vasodilator properties. The iron it supplies is also essential for carrying oxygenated blood throughout the body. The origins of watermelon are also rich in zinc, which has a crucial role to play in the health of your heart. Number 4. Lowers blood sugar levels. Consider adding these magical seeds to your diet if you suffer from fluctuating blood sugar levels. Magnesium's ability to regulate carbohydrates metabolism directly affects blood sugar levels. Diabetes type 2 can be treated with these seeds. Number 5. Immune system booster. The watermelon seeds contain iron and minerals that enhance the immune system. Additionally, these seeds contain vitamin B complex, which is helpful. Number 6. Prevent osteoporosis. Try to include watermelon seeds if you have weak bones and conditions like osteoporosis. Eating watermelon seeds regularly can prevent bone disorders as they are rich in magnesium, copper, and potassium. Number 7. Supports nervous system. Watermelon seeds are a rich vitamin B source that helps keep your brain and nervous system healthy. It is also helpful in mood disorders and dementia. Number 8. Improves male fertility. Zinc is an essential component of male reproductive health, found in high amounts in watermelon. A zinc supplement can improve the quality of sperm, which is the primary cause of male infertility. Number 9. Boosts energy levels. Watermelon levels are rich in micronutrients, which help boost and maintain your energy for extended periods. These magical watermelon seeds are super tasty and super nutritious, yet many people are unaware of them. Whenever you feel hungry, eat them as a snack. They will keep you fueled for more extended periods. Number 10. Stimulates metabolism. The watermelon seeds are packed with nutrients such as folate, iron, zinc, copper, magnesium, potassium, amino acids, and vitamin B complex. In addition to regulating and boosting the body's natural metabolism, these nutrients are incredibly beneficial. Number 11. Reduces the effects of asthma. It can manage asthma symptoms more effectively with watermelon seeds, which contain a high amount of vitamin C. Antioxidants such as vitamin C can aid in controlling asthma symptoms. Although suggestive studies exist about the impact of watermelon seeds on asthma, more research is needed. Nevertheless, watermelon seeds are safe to consume and should be an option for asthma people. Number 12. Reduces the risk of prostate cancer. Watermelon seeds and flesh contain a compound called lycopene. Studies have demonstrated that lycopene has potent anti-cancer properties. Prostate cancer can be prevented by lycopene, according to a study published in 2015. In conclusion, watermelon seeds are a versatile and nutrient-packed snack that offers a variety of health benefits. From digestive health to brain function, incorporating watermelon seeds into your diet can help support overall health and wellness. We hope you enjoyed learning about the 12 benefits of watermelon seeds, and we encourage you to try them out for yourself. Thank you for watching our video. We hope you found it informative and engaging. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness content.